My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called GhosHacker. In this video, you will find out why exactly this particular ransomware is called like that. You'll also be able to find out what exactly this ransomware does with the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this GhosHacker ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And so then, very soon, users realize that they can no longer open their files. This ransomware actually appends a special red extension, and it is called GhosHacker because it appends this GhosHacker. Because it is titled like that in the ransom note, GhosHacker ransomware. The ransomware, as you can clearly see, tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then once it gets installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and then investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.